Do you want to turn your passion for spices into a thriving business that captures the rich flavors of Kerala and brings them to kitchens around the world? Imagine owning a business that not only celebrates the cultural heritage of India but also taps into the booming demand for authentic, high-quality spices. In this video, I'm going to show you the ultimate step-by-step guide to starting a profitable Kerala masala business from scratch. Whether you're an aspiring entrepreneur, a food lover, or just someone who wants to make money while celebrating your roots, stay tuned because this is the video that will change your life. Welcome to Prince Sam Official. Please subscribe, like, comment, and share. Thank you. Step-by-step tips. 1. Understanding the Kerala masala market. Kerala is known as the spice garden of India. Its spices have been exported for centuries, thanks to their superior quality and medicinal properties. Before diving into the business, research the masala market thoroughly. Understand which spices are in high demand. Spices like black pepper, cardamom, turmeric, cinnamon, and dried ginger. Study your potential competition and identify what makes your product unique. Look for market gaps. Are people looking for organic, locally sourced, or chemical-free masalas? Position yourself accordingly to stand out. 2. Sourcing high-quality ingredients. The quality of your spices will determine the success of your masala business. Poor quality spices mean poor sales, while fresh, aromatic, and authentic spices create loyal customers. Establish direct relationships with spice farmers in Kerala. This ensures freshness and allows you to offer a farm-to-table experience. You can also negotiate better prices, which helps with profit margins. Consider sourcing organic spices. The demand for organic and chemical-free products is growing rapidly, and customers are willing to pay a premium for it. 3. Production and blending process. The blending process is an art in the masala business. It's not just about mixing spices together. Each masala blend has its own unique combination and ratio that enhances the flavor of specific dishes. Learn traditional Kerala spice blending techniques or hire an expert blender. You need to know the specific measurements for different masalas like garam masala, sambar powder, biryani masala, etc. Your potential competition. Invest in high-quality grinders and ensure a hygienic production space. This will not only ensure consistency but also build trust with customers who value clean production environments. 4. Packaging. The key to success. Attractive and functional packaging can make or break your product's success on the shelves. Consumers often judge products by their packaging, especially in the food industry. Use airtight, moisture-resistant packaging to maintain freshness. Your packaging should also reflect the authenticity and premium quality of the Kerala masalas. Include vibrant, Kerala-inspired designs, along with necessary details like ingredients. Consider eco-friendly or reusable packaging options. With the world moving towards sustainability, this could give you a competitive edge. 5. Branding and creating a unique identity. Your brand will determine how your product is perceived. A strong brand makes it easier for customers to recognize and trust your product. Develop a unique brand name and logo that reflects Kerala spice heritage. Use storytelling in your marketing to connect with customers emotionally. Talk about the history of Kerala spices, your journey to starting the business, and why your masalas are special. Offer a range of products, like spice kits or combo packs for different dishes. This encourages customers to try more than one product, increasing your sales. 6. Selling online. Going beyond borders. E-commerce is booming, and selling online opens the door to a global audience. Create a professional website with high-quality images and detailed descriptions of your masalas. Make sure your site is mobile-friendly and offers a seamless shopping experience. Don't forget to utilize platforms like Amazon, Etsy, and Flipkart to sell your products online. Focus on digital marketing strategies like SEO, content marketing, recipes, blogs, etc., and social media ads. This will help attract more customers to your online store. 7. Offline selling, targeting the local market. While the online market is growing, there's still a huge opportunity to sell locally, especially in spice-loving regions. Start by selling at local farmers markets, grocery stores, or even 7. Offline selling, targeting the local market. While the online market is growing, there's still a huge opportunity to sell locally, especially in spice-loving regions. Start by selling at local farmers markets, grocery stores, or even 9. Getting certified. Food safety certifications, like FSA in India or FDA approval for international sales, are crucial for gaining customer trust. Research the certifications required in your country or region and apply for them early. Expanding globally with export opportunities. Once you establish a foothold in the local market, you can consider exporting your Kerala masalas internationally. Countries like the US, UK. Please subscribe, like, comment and share. Thanks for watching.